Hello, everyone. So I'm just quickly gonna demonstrate some features of the VollSeg Napari plugin from end users' point of view. So I have my raw data here. As you can see, it's 3D data and a time lapse of labeled nuclei that I eventually want to track. So first, I need to segment them. For that, I'm going to use VollSeg with the custom star and unit models and the ROI model. Now for the VollSeg parameters, I'm going to use probability map, tick off the expand labels, and do seed pooling. For outputs, you can choose what you see, but I'm mostly going to show you Stardist and VollSeg. Now, when I'm batch segmenting this tissue, this time lapse, obviously in the early time points, there's quite a lot of black pixels around the tissue. Now, when the ROI model is not applied, when this image is normalized, obviously a lot of these black pixels end up being taken account into the normalization. And as you can see, the Stardist, both the Stardist and the VollSeg labels end up being quite messed up, even when the seed pooling is applied. Now, when we do apply the ROI model, the segmentation and the normalization are only applied to the segmented ROI and its bounding box. So then we actually get a successful segmentation of these nuclei also in the early time points. Now, to quickly show you the advantage of seed pooling in VollSeg, I got another example where I have mitotic cells in my data set. For example, right there and there. Now, when I apply Stardist with the optimized parameters for the whole data set, I actually sometimes end up with predictions where these mitotic cells are either not segmented or they are quite missegmented. Now, because we're doing seed pooling with VollSeg, where both the Stardist and the unit seeds are taken into account, I actually also end up segmenting these cells nicely. So that's it. Happy segmenting.